Choosing a backend is one of the most important decisions you'll make as a developer. Today, we'll compare FastAPI and Node.js, not by hype, but by real-world use cases, performance, ecosystem, and career impact. Section 1. What they actually are. FastAPI Python-based backend framework, built on Starlet plus Pydantic, async first, automatic API documentation, Swagger and OpenAPI. Node.js JavaScript runtime, not a framework. Common frameworks: Express, Nest.js, FastAPI, event-driven, non-blocking I/O, mental model. FastAPI equals API first. Data-focused, Node.js equals app first. Ecosystem-focused. Section 2. Performance and concurrency. FastAPI. Extremely fast for APIs. Async plus Python simplicity. Ideal for data-heavy workloads. Performs close to Go in benchmarks. Node.js. Excellent concurrency. Event loop handles many requests. Slightly slower per request. Amazing for real-time apps, chat, streaming. Verdict. API speed. FastAPI high concurrency plus sockets. Node.js. Section 3. Data validation and developer experience. FastAPI, strong advantage. Built-in validation, auto-generated docs, clear contracts, fewer runtime bugs. Node.js, validation via libraries, Zod, Joy, class validator, more flexibility, more responsibility. Beginner-friendly, FastAPI freedom-focused, Node.js. Section 4. Ecosystem and use cases. FastAPI is perfect for REST APIs, AI/ML backends, data pipelines, microservices, Python-heavy systems. Node.js is perfect for full-stack apps, real-time apps, WebSockets, SaaS platforms, startups, front-end plus back-end monorepos. Section 5. Scaling and architecture. FastAPI. Microservice-friendly, works great with Docker and Kubernetes. Async scaling with Unicorn plus Gunicorn. Node.js. Horizontal scaling, serverless-ready, strong support in cloud platforms. Both scale well. Architecture matters more than language. Section 6. Jobs and career impact. 2025 trends. Node.js. More job listings. FastAPI. Higher demand in AI/data roles. Node.js. Startup friendly. FastAPI. Enterprise and AI teams. Section 7. Which one should you choose? Choose FastAPI if you like Python, you work with data or AI, you want strict APIs, you value clarity and validation. Choose Node.js. If you know JavaScript, you build full-stack apps, you want more jobs, you need real-time features. There's no wrong choice, only the right tool for your goal. Choose based on what you're building, not trends.